Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Chelsea. I collect cute things, I make cute things, I sell cute things, I just really like cute things. Today's video, however, I'm actually testing out some laminate sheets. So I've bought these off of Amazon and they've literally just arrived, and I thought actually I will film it on a video for you. I made this little pin in yesterday's video. If you didn't see it, I will leave it down in the description. So it's just a little Patrick pin. I made it like super cute and kawaii, like in my little style. I just love it. I just made this for myself. I don't know, I just love it at the moment. So I thought I would just go through completely start to finish and see how these laminate sheets work out, see if I like the process, that sort of stuff, and yeah, just share along the way. So I've got my iPad here. I'm just going to do a little quick sketch of that and then go through on the Cricut settings and everything with the design space and do it. I don't know why I'm telling you everything that I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to shut up now and get started drawing it out and making these stickers. So I've got the illustrations done now. I've got Patrick's SpongeBob and I've done a little Gary down at the bottom as well. I think they're so cute. I'm just going to add a colour border around them. I figured actually I'm just going to test out colour bordering because it's something that I haven't done up until now as well. I think I'm just going to do it manually just with like the monoline brush behind them all and just do them all a slightly different colour. Maybe like the blues and purples and that sort of stuff with like SpongeBob background. I think that would be kind of fun and see how that goes. So just quickly do that and then I'll put them into the Cricut design space. So I've got it printed out on this paper here. This is a glossy paper. I don't know if this is going to be any good with putting the laminate sheet kind of on top, but this is what I printed on. Just going to put it on the Cricut mat. So this is a brand new mat as well. So I'll treat myself to a new mat. So I'm just going to stick that on there. Like so. There it goes. And I figured actually I'm going to cut the laminate sheet so it goes on the inside of the kind of like lines that the Cricut needs to like register. So I'm just going to cut one of the laminate sheets. So it's now almost a month later. I think it actually might be like a day over a month later since I made these stickers. So I've been testing them out on a few different things because I wanted to give like a fully comprehensive kind of view of how it looks. So I actually stuck a Gary sticker on my phone the same day that I actually made those on camera, just to see how it would fare up. And obviously I put it on my phone so that I was able to see it, because I use my phone every single day, like all day every day. And to be honest, like, I don't know if you can see there, my phone's a bit dirty, sorry. But the print of it has stayed absolutely perfectly, and yeah, there are a few scratches in on the like laminate there, but it's worked perfectly, like protecting it. So the laminate itself is actually really thick, but to be honest, I really like that. It's given a nice stiff finish to the pieces, and this is kind of, you know, what they turn out like. So they are super glossy. Hold on, yeah, there you go. They are super glossy. There's no way of getting that laminate off, like no way at all, even if you wanted to. And because the laminate is quite thick, they're like not going to bend much. I was kind of concerned about, you know, them putting it on something curved. So the same day then I stuck it on this like jar full of like jalapenos. Well, it's not full of jalapenos, but it's actually a jalapeno jar full of stickers. And it's stuck on that perfectly. It hasn't peeled off, hasn't, you know, come off at all really. So I think that they are still good for that. So it's only just got away with it, like the stickiness of the sticky paper. I did also buy a holographic glitter one, and I used that in the exact same way. I just bought that off AliExpress. So there's the holographic one. I use that in the exact same way. This one here isn't as thick as the Amazon one, but I really like this Amazon one. The only thing is though, like obviously on a flat surface like a phone, you can feel the fact that it is quite thick, and it's almost like, I wouldn't say it's a sharp edge, but there is definitely like, you know, an edge to it. But I haven't noticed like, you know, any scratches or anything like that, like on my fingers or anything. Just, you can feel it's a chunky sticker, and I actually really like that. So if you like thin, like, you know, flat stickers, these probably, like the laminate sheets probably aren't for you, but I really like that. I think it gives a really nice high quality finish. So I do have a load of these stickers left now, and I'm going to be giving them out as like freebies along with like orders on my Etsy store. So yeah, I did the Patrick design, I did the SpongeBob design, as well as the Gary design. I really love how they've turned out. But yeah, holographic kind of ones there, which again, I bought that from AliExpress just really randomly just to test it out. And then the normal laminate ones there. I bought a huge pack of this, so I'm definitely going to be using this on my big stickers in my store from now on. And I would highly recommend it if you want something to make your like stickers like nice and chunky and nice and shiny like so. It definitely gives it a really nice professional finish. So yeah, really happy with these, really happy with the laminate. So I will link it down below if you want to check that out. And yeah, hopefully with my little bit of a review on even how it's looking on my phone case after all this time of daily use, like my screen time is like 6 hours a day, I won't lie, and it stayed on this jar of jalapenos for this long, then yeah, definitely give it a go. So thank you so much for joining me today on today's video and testing out these laminate sheets. I've really had a great time. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon for another video. Bye.